and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of like a part 2 to hopefully the video that went up yesterday, I think, or like not long ago. Basically it was the nail, the playing with acrylic and pinching video. And basically today's video I'm going to be trying out the drill, the nail drill. So I haven't used this before. This is not going to be a review. I'm going to just try this out and then I'm going to do a proper review of the actual drill and give you links to that drill so you can obviously go and get that yourself if we find that it is any good. So I'm going to pop you there and I think I'm just going to get straight in with it and see what we can do with this drill. I'm a little bit scared. I am a very cautious person. Now I'm pretty sure. So what I've had to do is you push this in, you twist it about. I will do a full-on like how to assemble it video. This is the drill bit that I've got in. It's just this kind of like medium one. I'm gonna now plug it in. I'm scared, guys. I've put it in as tight as I can and it won't come out. Like it's not coming out. So fingers crossed we should be all good with this. And I'm gonna put it on so slowly. So the button's here. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, it's not plugged in, hang on. I turned the switch off because I was scared of hurting myself. Right, okay. Oh, oh, okay, so that's really, really low. Right, I just want to check because obviously I'm not clued in with the bits. I don't know if that's the right bit, but I think that's going to do what I need it to do. Oh, we need to file it, and I think these are the ones to file. Do you know what? Let's see if this will file it, but then I don't want it to run out. I'm not actually 100% sure on the drill bits either. This is all things I'm going to research before I do the main video on it. Because I do believe that these bits are for like actual filing, which we do need to do because we want to get a stiletto, and at the moment it's kind of like so. I'm going to put this one in. So I've just slid it in there and then I'm going to tighten it up. Oh god, it's not tightening. Why is it not tightening? Oh, there we go. Right, okay. No, that's not. I don't feel safe. It needs to be like really in there. That last one I managed to get really in there. There we go. Oh no. I'm scared it's gonna come flying off. Well, it's not going any tighter. I'm gonna pick a medium one, which is like this one. So this is like a medium course. This one here. Pop that on there. Just pray to bloody God that that stays on. Right, I'm only going to use it really low. And what I'm going to try and do with this is the edges. These edges here to make them stiletto-esque. Okay guys, are you ready for this? It's really slowly on. Okay, that's looking alright. It's a really, really short cord. That's something that I'm not impressed with, if I'm honest. The cord is very short. Oh, good lord. It's hard to do like oh my god, it's so hard. Oh gosh. We turn it up a little bit. Obviously, I feel like it's melting the acrylic because it's so hot. I would have normally started with a stiletto shape anyway, so there wouldn't have been as much to file. I think maybe I need a sharper one, guys. Which one did I use? Is that one sharper than that one? Let's try that one. I don't even know if that one is actually sharper, but got a little bit higher as well. Can you see, guys? I'm sorry if it's not great. Ah, this drill's not very strong. It keeps stopping, do you see that? Why does it keep stopping? I'm not sure how I feel about this drill, guys. Why does it keep stopping? I feel like I'm having more luck by using this. This side, like, it is going more into a point now. I might swap it back to the other drill bit that I was using. I think that is a coarse one, because I don't feel like that's really doing much and it keeps stopping. So let's take that one out and put this one back in. That's in there pretty tight. Okay. Feel much more comfortable using the metal like that rather than the other thing. I was not feeling that, guys, at all, but I still feel like I'm getting better results. I'm just gonna bring this down here so I'm not shaking you guys. In regards to filing it into a stiletto shape, I feel like I'm better off just using this. Now, once again, I will just say this is not a review on this drill because I don't know how to use this drill yet. I'm not going to give something a review when I might be doing it completely wrong anyway. So at the moment, this is basically just a video where I'm just showing you me using it for the first time, basically. I thought it might be fun and I was a bit scared to do it on my own, so I thought I'd bring you guys with me. Yeah! Feels so much safer having you guys here with me. So yeah, all I'm going to do with this file is just shape it to the stiletto shape, and then I'm going to file it down, like, you know, all the top and everything with the drill still. So obviously, I mean, I don't know if you guys will have seen the very first video that I did in that vlog when I had a little bit of a play, but obviously this nail is much longer and thicker than the other one that I showed you. Like, you can actually tell that this has been like acrylic and that. The other one kind of just looked like it was a tip that had been filed down. I think I've got them in here actually. Yeah, so that was the other one that I did, which was like almost stiletto-y. But now this is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. Look at it. I can see it actually starting to take shape now and I'm really excited. I actually quite like using these files. Like, I don't know if I'm finding it relaxing or something by doing this. I am actually enjoying using these. But I just thought I would give a nail drill a bash. Right, there we go. So I've got the stiletto shape now. And now I can start using my drill. Okay, here we go. So now I need to kind of try and shape it. See, the client would be sat like that, wouldn't they? And then I would have hold of their hand like this. Obviously, I can't really do that with this, so.
Smells like acrylic.
What?
What a geek in your little room.
Filming? Leave me alone. Right, I just don't really feel like it's really doing much. So I'm now going to try using this one here. This one. So let me just release. And this one, I'm trying to go around here. So I'm going into this where the cuticle is. It's not perfectly smooth and I don't know how to get it perfect. I'm gonna get back in with that one, I think. I've got the hang of how to insert them now, I think, as well, which is good. I think now I've got a bit more confident with it. I can actually see results now. Sorry if it's not in focus, guys. Right. That, oh my gosh, it looks so much better now. It's like much neater curve and smoother and everything. So I'm gonna get my special pink blocky thing that we got and give it a smooth down. Oh my god, that feels so good! That feels so nice and smooth now. Ah, oh, it looks so much better. It's still not like a perfect, like it's a little bit humped here, a bit probably more than I would, if this was a real person, I would have wanted, but I'm really impressed. Now we gotta paint it. So I'm not going to do anything exciting with it, like decoration wise. I'm just going to paint it with this. It's like a really cheapo nail varnish from somewhere. Zoom you in a little bit. Camera's going to die. It's literally just been charged, but I've spent like an hour and a half or something filming these videos. Oh, you can't even see me. I'm out. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to let that dry and then I will be back. So this is the end result, guys. I'm really pleased with it. I'm not sure what you're going to be able to see because it's just not focusing lately and I don't really know why. There we go. So that's the end result. And I did it by sticking 2 tips together to get it nice and long. But yeah. So the drill. it was fun. It wasn't as scary as I thought it was, and I definitely feel like I got more confident with it as I was going. I was kind of scared to turn it on, but then I was like, yeah, this is fine. Like I can deal with this. It's fine. And we have a little stiletto, longish stiletto type kind of nail with a bit of pink metallic polish on. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I'll do a proper review on this drill and let you guys know where you can buy it from, all of that good stuff, when I've played with it a little bit more. I have done a little bit of research on how to use the drill bits and stuff like that, and what they're for, but I need to use it more to be able to say like, oh, whether this is really good or whether it's not. From my first impressions, I think it seems pretty good. Like, I feel like it didn't shape the nail, like it just worked better for me to use a hand file to do that, but I don't know if I was using the right bits or if I was doing it right or if I needed it on a higher speed or what. So I need to play about with it and find that out. But when it came to like smoothing it down, buffing down the top, I'm pretty pleased with it. I didn't have it on like full because I was too scared. In fact, let's just listen now. Holy crap. Wow, okay, that's on full. Okay, so it goes pretty high. So yeah. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see a full in-depth, full-on review on this drill. And if you want to see more nail videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying the videos. And I will see you next time. Mwah, I love you. Bye.